What up, you guys? Seymour L6. We got Easy Mel and his sis RS. We're going the cover of what we're doing. Perfect. From Ed Sheeran. That song right there. I think like with that duet with Beyonce. This one what it is. But if you guys new to the channel, like, subscribe, all that good things, man. On the road to 500 subscribers, you guys. Let's go. Subscribe. So, anyways, let's go.
I found a love for me, darling. Just dive right in, follow my lead. Oh, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew there was someone waiting for me. We were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time, darling. Just kiss me.
If that's not a good wedding song, I don't know what is, man. I'll definitely play that for my wedding.
So your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with just you between my arms. Barefoot on the grass while listening to our favorite song. When you said you loved a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Well, I found a man stronger than anyone I know. He shares my dreams.
They put a little twist into it.
That someday
They put their own little twist and little own style. I like that. Okay.
share a home. I found a love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand. Be your girl, you'll be my man. And I see my future in your eyes.
Wow, they did good. They did really, really, really good, man. They did good. They put their own little spin to it too, so super dope, man. I hope you guys like that. Thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button to make it unwrapped. So I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Thank you for watching.